Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Teena, where every video helps you learn a little more. I'm Teena. So let me ask you something honestly. How many hours did you spend on social media yesterday? Be honest with yourself. 1 hour? 2 hours? Maybe more? Okay, don't feel bad. I do it too. We all do it. But here's a question that changed the way I think about it. What if that same time, the time you're already spending, could actually help you learn English? That's exactly what we're talking about today. 5 simple ways to turn your social media scrolling into real English practice without adding a single extra minute to your day. Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about making English simple, one small lesson at a time. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Okay, let's get into it. This one is so simple, but so many people skip it. Go into your following list right now. Well, not right now, after the video, and follow a few English learning accounts. Grammar tips, vocabulary pages, pronunciation channels, whatever interests you. Here's why this works. The algorithm, the invisible system that decides what shows up on your feed, pays attention to what you watch. If you follow English content and actually watch a few seconds of it, the app starts showing you more of it automatically. You don't have to search for lessons every day. Slowly, your feed just becomes a classroom without you trying too hard. Reels, shorts, TikToks, these short videos are actually perfect for learning English. Why? Because they're quick, they're repeatable, and you can focus on just a few sentences at a time. Here's exactly how to do it. First, watch the video once, just to understand the general idea. Then, and this is the important part, watch it again, but this time turn on the English subtitles and actually read them. Notice new words. Notice how the words sound compared to how they're spelled. Pause if you need to. This one small habit, watching twice, once for meaning and once for language, makes a huge difference over time. Try it today. Pick 3 short videos you enjoy and watch each one twice. That's it. Simple, but it works. Now, this one is a little braver, but it's so powerful. Instead of just scrolling past a video after reading the caption, take 10 extra seconds and write your reaction in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be long. Something like, "This is so helpful, thank you." Or, "I didn't know that, that's interesting." That's it. Here's why this matters. Watching English is passive. You're just receiving it. But writing in English is active. You're producing it. And producing language, even in small comments, builds real fluency much faster than just watching alone. And please, don't worry about mistakes. Native speakers make typos all the time. Nobody is judging your comment. The goal isn't perfection, it's practice. Okay, this one might surprise you, but social media is also a speaking practice tool, if you use it the right way. Try this. Record a short voice note in English describing your day and send it to a friend, maybe someone else who's also learning. Or next time you post a photo, write the caption in English, even if it's just one simple sentence, like, "Beautiful sunset today, feeling grateful." You're already posting. You're already sending messages. This way just adds English into something you're already doing anyway. The last method is about not doing this alone. Look for Facebook groups, Discord servers, or online communities where people are learning English together. Being part of a group like this gives you 3 things. First, accountability. When others are practicing, you feel motivated to keep going too. Second, real conversation practice. Many groups have chats or voice calls where you can actually talk in English. And third, gentle feedback. Other learners or even native speakers often correct small mistakes kindly, which helps you improve faster than learning completely alone. So today, find just one group. Introduce yourself in English. That one small post could be the beginning of a whole new habit. Here's a simple way to think about your day. In the morning, When you check your feed, spend a few minutes on the English content you're now following. In the afternoon, leave one genuine comment in English on something you enjoyed. In the evening, send one voice note or write one caption in English. And once a week, spend just 10 minutes inside an English learning community. Notice something? None of this requires extra time. You're not adding anything new to your day. You're simply redirecting time you're already spending. And that's exactly what makes this so easy to actually stick with. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. 5 ways to learn English on social media. Follow English learning pages. Watch short videos with subtitles on. Comment in English. Use voice notes and captions to practice speaking. And join English learning communities. Small, consistent actions done inside a habit you already have. That's how real progress happens. If this video helped you today, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week here on English with Teena, I share simple, practical ways to make English part of your everyday life without making it feel like extra work. In the next video, we'll look at more everyday English sentences you can start using immediately. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And before you go, I have a small question for you. What's one small thing you can do today, not tomorrow, today, to practice English? Maybe follow one new page. Maybe leave one comment. Maybe send one voice note. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read your answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.